The Xiaomi 17T and Xiaomi 17T Pro launch in May 2026, and we now have our first look at the vanilla model, the live image of the Xiaomi 17T's back alongside its 67W charger. The Leica branding is once again placed dead center, while the LED flash is now positioned outside of the camera bump. The device is expected to be priced at around 55,000 Indian rupees, featuring significant performance and battery upgrades. The Xiaomi 17T could run on the Dimensity 8500, while the Xiaomi 17T Pro will be powered by the Dimensity 9500 chip. It will feature a triple rear camera setup led by an OmniVision OV50E sensor. It will be joined by an OmniVision OV13B sensor and a Samsung ISOCELL JN5 sensor, handling ultrawide and telephoto duties. There's also mention of a Samsung ISOCELL S5 KKDS sensor for selfies. The 17T might feature a slightly smaller 6.59-inch AMOLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate. The 17T will pack a 6,500 mAh battery. The charging speed remains unchanged at 67W. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.